what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. I recently went on a staycation and I wanted to share the skincare products that I brought with me. Some of the products are new and I really wanted to try, and others are current favorites. So I have dry skin, so I love products that are moisturizing, nourishing, anti-aging, and that give me glowy, dewy, glassy skin. So if you love skincare and you want to see my morning and nighttime skincare routine, then just keep watching. Hey, it's Padee again. I'm starting off with my nighttime skincare routine because why not? I'm going to take off my full face of makeup by double cleansing tonight. The first product I'll be using is the Caudalie Vinoclean Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. This was gifted to me by Caudalie. This dissolves makeup while it moisturizes and nourishes your skin with antioxidants. When I have a full face of makeup, I like to pump a generous amount of this cleansing oil into my hands and then massage it onto my skin to really get rid of all of my makeup. Then I'll emulsify with water, then rinse, and then go in with my second step of the double cleanse. I've been really loving the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Enzyme Foam Cleanser. I recently bought this from Sephora and I've been hooked. This is a creamy cleanser with enzyme technology that lathers into a foam to softly remove potentially irritating impurities and clear pores of dirt and debris. It also contains their green repair solution, which is a proprietary derma complex that brings together tiger grass, which is Centella asiatica, aka Sika, with a skin boosting blend of herbs, minerals, a moisturizing humectant, and a probiotic ferment to soothe skin with moisture. I've been loving to pair this with my PMD Clean facial cleansing device. This has been such a game-changing tool to ensure a deep cleanse. PMD gifted this to me a couple months ago and I've been loving it ever since. I love it so much that I bought one for my brother. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a more in-depth review about this product. I'm obsessed. The next product I think everyone should try, it's the Peach and Lily Lazy Day All-in-One Moisture Pads. These pads deliver the effects of a toner, essence, and moisturizer, and I discovered it when I took a trip to visit my older brother and forgot my toner. I went to Ulta and came across these, and though they were quite pricey, $39, for being on a vacation and needing a quick substitute, I decided to buy them anyways and give them a try, and wow, I'm so happy I did because it's been one of my favorite toners. It truly hydrates and nourishes my skin, and it's perfect for lazy days, pool days, and pamper days like today. Of course, I'm super extra when it comes to skincare, so next I'll be adding more hydration using the Acwell Licorice pH Balancing Essence Mist. This is one of my favorite facial mists, another product that truly hydrates and nourishes my skin. This has a milky texture, ultra fine spray with a balancing nutrient packed formula. And next I'm going to apply my Estee Lauder Advanced Eye Concentrate Matrix. I love a good eye cream, but this one takes it to the next level. It intensely nourishes with a 2 times concentrated infusion of hyaluronic acid. It hydrates my under eyes, and I always wake up to see refreshed, more plumped under eyes. It's one of those products you just know is working and you just can tell. Next, I'm going to apply my longtime fave of mine, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Again, another product that you just know works. If you've ever had that experience with skincare products, you know exactly what I mean. My skin is always left radiant and plumped with hydration. It's over $100, but I continue to repurchase it because it truly makes a difference for my skin, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for a serum to help fight signs of aging. I'm realizing this video is kind of turning into a favorites video, but I haven't done one in a while, so I'm not mad at it. Next, I'll be applying the Neogen x JoanDay Vita Duo Night Cream. This was gifted to me by YesStyle, and you can use my code PadeeTina5 if you're interested. I'm a huge fan of Joan Kim. She's such an aesthetic and I love her so much. This is a nourishing and soothing night cream that Joan created with Neogen. It's formulated with lavender to help de-stress skin for a good night's sleep. It also contains various plant oils to provide antioxidant effect and strengthen the skin barrier. They also upgraded the formula of this and also also released it in a refillable, environmental friendly packaging. If you like a night cream that is lightweight and you also like the aroma of lavender, then you should definitely try this. To finish off my nighttime skincare routine, I'll be applying my Nooni Appletea Lip Oil. This was gifted to me by Nooni, and it contains green tea seed oil to help soothe and hydrate dry lips, apple seed oil to help soften and moisturize, and botanical oil blend, which is rich in vitamins A, C, and E to moisturize and nourish your lips. And with that, I go to bed and wake up the next morning to share my morning skincare routine. Starting off by cleansing with the Nooni Deep Cleanse Snowflake Whipping Cleanser and Nooni Marshmallow Whip Maker. This is what I like to call a skincare frother. Fill up water to the water line, then add the cleanser, close the lid, and pump the handle up and down until you get your desired consistency. Seriously, this is such a great experience. I had a lot of extra foam, so I decided to share with my brother. And this cleanser gently removes light makeup, impurities, and sebum while brightening and hydrating the skin. Next, I'm going to apply my Peach and Lily Lazy Day All-in-One Moisture Pads. I've already expressed how much I love this stuff, so we'll just move right along. Next is a newly favorite eye cream. This is the Summerville Ceuticals Lifting Eye Cream, and it was gifted to me. I've been using this for about 3 months now, and I love that it gives me a plumping feeling under the eyes after application, which feels so nice. This is a clinical grade eye cream that works to minimize the visible signs of aging around the eyes. It contains a peptide complex to relax the look of wrinkles and red and brown algae to diminish dark circles and under eye puffiness, and vitamin C to firm and brighten. Time to achieve the ultimate glow with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is a highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid that helps to visibly brighten skin and deliver an effortless glow. It has a refreshing watermelon scent, lightweight gel texture, and gives me glassy, bing skin. Next up is moisturizer, and I recently bought the Laneige Radiance Cream. This is enriched with vitamin C and vitamin E to help address dullness and brighten the skin. It has a light citrus scent and creamy, thick texture that leaves my dry skin well moisturized. When wearing vitamin C during the day, make sure to follow up with sunscreen. I mean, you should always wear sunscreen, but even more so when you're using products with vitamin C, as it is sensitive to heat and light and the sun, pretty much. I was recently gifted the Biossance Squalane and Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen, and it has quickly become one of my favorite sunscreens. It's invisible, non-toxic, and moisturizing, and it's also reef safe. This is a mineral sunscreen that contains 14% of zinc oxide to protect the skin's outer barrier to reflect damaging UVA and UVB rays. And lastly, I need to add some color to my lips, so I'm applying my Clarins Lip Comfort Oil in the shade Red Berry. This was also gifted to me, and I love that this is a lip treatment with a hint of color. It contains a blend of hazelnut and organic jojoba oils to nourish, smooth, and enhance lips, while also forming a protective layer of color to help lock in moisture for deep hydration. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your current skincare favorites in the comment section down below. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. I know it's been a hot minute, but life happened, but I hope to see you in my next one. As always, have a beautiful, Padeeful day. Bye!